Hello guys, good morning. So nandito na naman po tayo para magbigay ng safety tips, workplace safety. Pag-usapan naman natin ng electrical tools o electric tools. Okay, ito yung mga dapat gawin at hindi dapat gawin. So let's start guys. Before using an electric tools or electrical tools, you need to check the tools and its plug and connecting cable. Tignan natin kung may sira or may damage yung mga connecting table at yung mga kable at yung socket, baka sira na siya, at para maiwasan yung pagkakakuryente. Do not use any damaged tools. Baka magkaroon tayo ng disgrasya. Do not use an electrical tools unless its connecting cable is well protected. Do not use an electric tools unless its metal casing is earthed and its power supply is provided with an earth leakage circuit breaker or ELCB. Okay guys, para pag nagkaroon ng leak na kuryente, diretso po siya sa earth, hindi po sa katawan natin. Hey guys, tandaan nyo po yan. Do not repair or alter any electrical installation unless you are competent to do so. Kung hindi po kayo sigurado, huwag po nating i-alter yung mga electrical connection. Either yan sa trabaho natin o sa bahay at kung saan-saan pa. Okay? If you meet any fault or problem, report to your supervisor immediately. Bakit po? Para makatawag siya ng isang competent person, experienced person, para po i-repair or gawin ng maayos yung installation ng cable. Wag po nating gagawin yan alone. Kasi po, baka po tayo ay makuryente at madisgrasya. Maraming salamat guys at good morning sa inyo from UAE. Your ka-safety, Mr. Eric, or tawagin nyo na lang akong Sir or Sir Eric. Okay guys, maraming salamat.